What's going on, guys? Happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick for the Money Etiquette Group, and here's some cryptocurrency news you should pay attention to from this weekend and today. Over the weekend, we saw a lot of fluctuations in prices of Bitcoin and all coins. In fact, all altcoins, whatever you can name, there's been a lot of fluctuation. At the end of the week of last week, you had a drop in the prices and the values of Bitcoin and all coins across the board for the most part. And then we saw a slight recovery, and then we saw a drawback, and we're seeing another recovery today. Well, what's really happening is, and what people don't understand is that this is a normal part of the cycle in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of people during the time when the market started to drop would say, oh, the market's crashing, it's going to end, this is all just blowing up right now. There's a lot of commentary doing the bad, there's a lot of commentary doing the so-called good, but in reality, there hasn't been much change outside of overall continued gains throughout the year. I mean, when a few months ago, Bitcoin is $7,000, $8,000, and then it goes to 20, and then it goes back to 15 or 14 or 13 or 11, regardless, it's positive movement. These corrections and these type of, ups and downs are going to happen in the market. But what people have to learn is when you're investing long term is to be still, because you're betting on the overall success of the market, not just the momentary success. However, if you're a person that's trying to day trade, then you probably had a headache because you didn't know what was going on. You probably panicked and lost some of your coins over the last few days because you really didn't understand how to day trade and understand the risks that come with looking at prices every day and trying to buy and sell every single day based on rises and drops in prices. So a lot of activity took place this past weekend, but a lot of it, and people don't realize it, was initiated by whales. And what I mean by whales is people with big bankrolls, groups with big bankrolls that want to buy coins for cheaper. So here's how it works. What they'll do is they'll sell at a discounted price a large number of coins, which drops the market some. And in response, people follow that and start to panic and sell their shares based off of rumors, based off of, oh, I don't know if Wraith protocol is happening with Verge. I don't know if this event is happening. I don't know if that event is happening. All of this is based on rumors instead of facts for the most part, and it causes people to sell more quickly than they should. And when they sell and that price goes down and down and down, then the whales who started the sale, who started this whole process, buys the coins again at a lower price. And it actually shows in a lot of the market activities. You see new millionaire investors in all these coins at lower prices, and at the higher prices, you see the same individuals selling. So at the end of the day, they're starting something with a quarter, not even a quarter, with a small percentage of their holdings, and then buying a lot more at a cheaper price because they don't want to pay at the higher price level. It's just a strategy. Now, again, I'm not saying that you can predict when all of this happens. I'm not going to say that there's no legitimacy to some coins underperforming or being overpriced and needing to scale back. But I'm saying don't panic in the market. And certainly we saw that with Verge this weekend. With Verge coin, you had a former employee, at least their account, put out some negative news about the coin and the likelihood of Wraith protocol taking place and any success for that coin. It's saying it's pretty much a trumped up, blown up coin. That's a crap coin. However, then a little bit later, you saw the market react to that. You saw people selling in droves. Just, okay, this is a former employee. They have to be telling the truth. But then right after that, a few hours later, you hear that that person says, oh, my account was hacked. And you hear that people in the company kind of recant that person's or pretty much go against and disprove those statements that came out. So sometimes it takes time for the truth to come out. And if you react moment by moment, what happened is a lot of people lost coins and lost value during that time by reacting to a rumor. Okay, guys, reacting to a rumor. You have to be still in this market. You have to be careful. Some other things that are taking place, the free market that it is, and the way that it's a free market today will only last for another 6 days or 5 days now. Because come 2018, some of that free is going to go away because there's more regulation coming. Okay, taxes. Based on the new tax law that's been passed, cryptocurrency may be able to be taxed on the buying and selling side and not just the profit side. So consider that today you don't have to pay taxes on these transactions, but you may be paying taxes based on the new laws in 2018. Does that mean you shouldn't invest? No, I'm just saying it costs more. Also, some of these exchanges are going to be more heavily regulated. It's just all things that are going to come. We spoke previously about this to say a free market and the way it's designed today is extraordinary. It's great to participate in, but it won't always be that way. So look for more regulation in 2018. Also, I want to know from you, what coins do you think will deliver on promises before the end of the year? What coins do you think are going to do good and actually may triple, double, or gain the most value between now and the end of the year? Which ones are you looking to buy? Which ones are you looking to sell? I want to know from you what you're interested in before the end of the year.